This is my first video, and it's gonna be as you can see, to replace a gear shift knob for a 2014 Buick Verano. Again, this is only for the Buick Verano. There may be other vehicles that might have a similar way to replace it, but I just found out how to do it for my vehicle, because as you can see, the top part is broken. I don't know how it happened. It just eventually one day just had a crack on it, and as the days went by, it got worse and worse and worse. So I went on eBay and I found out that there's different prices, anywhere from like $100 to $14.95, and at the dealership they were charging me $125 plus labor. So I was looking at about $240, and I believe it's really simple to do, and I'm gonna show you how. This is the aftermarket part. It comes with the top piece, which is the piece that you get to see, and a bottom piece, which you also get to see, but it kind of like clicks together. So hopefully it'll be simple enough to do, and I can do it together with you. So basically this piece here pops right out. So I'm going to try to do it right now. I'm doing this by myself, so sorry, bear with me. So this piece here pops out. Let me see. Hold on one second. This piece here pops up. Okay, so I'm gonna just put that phone down for 1 second. Hold on.